Start creating videos in this new niche before it becomes saturated. And yes, this niche is 100% monetized. The channel I showed you earlier is already creating long-form videos using the exact same concept. Now, if we talk about monetization, let me quickly show you something. If you open any YouTube monetization checker website and check this channel, you can clearly see that the channel is already monetized, and these are long-form videos. So even with the new YouTube guidelines expected around July 2026, this type of content is still considered safe. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create the same kind of videos, and even better ones. Keep in mind that we will never stop giving you free prompts and teach you create videos using free AI tools, as this is our commitment to you. So to make this, you will find a universal prompt pack in the description, and also in our Telegram channel. You can download it from either place. Inside that pack, you will find two important prompts. The first one is a concept building prompt, and the second one is a master prompt that we will use for image and video generation. So let's begin with the first step. Open ChatGPT, then go to the prompt pack and copy prompt number 1, which is the concept generation prompt. Paste it into ChatGPT and run it. As soon as you run the prompt, ChatGPT will generate 15 different video ideas for you. Each idea will include the animal, the environment, and the beings that are captured inside the glass creature. From these ideas, you can choose whichever concept you like the most. For example, I like the first idea that features the elephant, so I'm going to select that one. Now for the image and video generation process, go back to the prompt pack and copy prompt number 2, which is the master prompt. Copy the entire prompt and paste it into ChatGPT. In the second line of that prompt, you will see a section that says, "Enter your title here." Simply copy the title you selected earlier and paste it in that line. Once you paste the title and run the prompt, ChatGPT will automatically generate scene-by-scene prompts for your video. These prompts will include image prompts for every scene, and also video prompts that contain camera angles, motion instructions, and lighting details. Now let's move to the image generation part. For generating images, we will use Google Flow. Even with a free account, you can easily generate your images here. Click on New Project, then copy the image prompt for Scene 1 from ChatGPT and paste it inside Google Flow. If you are using the free version, make sure you select the Nanobana 2 model. Mine shows the Pro model because I have a Pro account, but the free model works perfectly fine as well. You will also notice that the image generation here uses 0 credits. Next, choose the aspect ratio depending on the type of video you want to create. If you want to create YouTube shorts, select portrait. If you want to create long-form videos, select landscape. For now, I will select portrait and click generate. As you can see, the images are now ready. Simply choose the image that you like the most and download it. Even with a free account, you may receive 2K upscaled images. And if not, you can still download the original resolution. Now repeat the same process for the remaining scenes and generate images for all of them. Next, we will generate the videos. For video generation, we will use Grok AI. Inside Grok AI, go to the Imagine section and select Video. After selecting Video, click on Animate Image and upload the image for your first scene. Then go back to ChatGPT and copy the video prompt for Scene 1, including the camera angle, motion, and lighting instructions. Paste that prompt into the video prompt section and generate the video. Repeat the same process for all the other scenes as well. Once all the videos are ready, open any video editing software and merge all the clips together in sequence. This will create your final long-form video. So that's it for this tutorial. Start creating videos in this niche as soon as possible, before it becomes crowded. The earlier you start, the better your chances of growing faster. Keep creating, keep generating, and keep experimenting with new ideas. Thank you so much for watching.